are you referring to?
Camilla.
Why would I care about her?
Because I care about her! Morning, noon, and night I care about her! And you hurt her!
Who are you referring to?
Camilla.
Why? What I cared about her?
Because I care about her. Morning, noon, and night, I care about her, and you hate me. Hello, Vatan.
Hello. Hello.
Okay, I'm starting. Who are you referring to?
Camilla.
Wine. What wine? What I care about her?
Because I care about her.
Mm-hmm.
Morning, noon, and night I care about her. And if you hurt her. Hello, baby.
Yes, but then?
Who are you referring to?
Camilla.
Why would I care about her?
Because I cared about her. Morning, noon, and night I cared about her, and you hate her.
So the winner is Yippee. Okay.
Relax. Take a deep breath. Now, let's ask somebody for directions.
Oh, fine. Who do you want to ask? The spec? There's nobody here.
Well, there has to be someone. It's the ocean, silly. We're not the only two in here. Let's see. Okay, no one there. Nope. Nada. There's somebody. Hey! Excuse me!
Dory! Okay, now it's my turn. I'm thinking of something dark and mysterious. It's a fish we don't know. And if we ask it directions, it could ingest us and spit out our bones.
What is it with men and asking for directions?
Relax. Take a deep breath. Now, let's ask somebody for direction.
Oh, fine. Who do you want to ask? The space there's nobody here.
Well, there has to be someone. It's the ocean sleeves. We aren't only two here. Let's see. Okay, no one there. No. That. There is somebody. Hey, excuse.
Joey. Okay, now it's my tunnels, and if we ask a direction, it goes as a spray of our bone.
Why is there with me and asking for direction?
Okay, we finished. Hello, we're done. I start this. Relax, take a deep breath. Now let's ask somebody for direction.
Oh, fine. What do you want to ask? Speak. There's nobody here. Well, there
Where there had to be some. This is my town. Where there has
Okay.
to be someone. It's the ocean silly. We're not the only two in here. Let's see. Okay, no one there? No. Nada. There's somebody. Hey, a juice. It's juice.
Do. Okay. Now that's my turn. I take it off something. Drake and my stories. It's fate we don't know. And if we ask its direction. I coach against us and spit out our balls.
Why is women in asking for directions?